In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Asana to Outlook. Whether you're a project manager juggling multiple tasks or someone looking to streamline your workflow, integrating Asana with Outlook can make managing projects a breeze. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to begin by heading over to Asana's website. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do so to access your projects and settings. Simply navigate to the Asana login page and enter your email address. It's important to use the email associated with your Asana account to ensure seamless access to your workspace. Once your email is entered, click on Continue. As simple as it sounds, this step will lead you to the password entry. Now proceed by typing in your password. Remember to keep this information secure and, if necessary, update it regularly to protect your account. After entering your password, click on Login. This will take you to your Asana homepage, which is the hub for all your project-related activities. On your homepage, you'll notice various projects listed. Click on any one of those projects to which you'd like to connect Outlook. This action opens up the project and reveals specific options tailored to enhance your project's functionality. Now, locate the Customize button within the project interface. By clicking it, you'll see a selection of customization features available to your project. Here, among other options, click on Apps. Integrating apps is a great way to expand the capabilities of your project management tool. Next, click on Add. This step allows you to explore various apps that can be integrated with Asana. For our purposes, navigate through the list and click on Outlook Email. This will direct you to the Outlook Email integration page. By connecting with Outlook, you can easily manage tasks and communications seamlessly between the two platforms. After selecting Outlook Email, click on Add to Project. This is where the integration starts to take shape. Following this, you'll need to click on Connect to Outlook Email. This step prompts you to authorize the connection between Asana and your Outlook account. Finally, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup. This usually involves granting permissions and confirming that you wish to allow Asana and Outlook to communicate with each other. Once completed, you should now have successfully linked your Asana project with Outlook. And there you have it, a straightforward way to bridge Asana with Outlook, helping you to synchronize tasks and streamline your workflow. I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tips on how to maximize your productivity with tech integrations. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.